Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you exactly how you can increase the cancellation period for emails you would like to delete on Gmail. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see we're inside my inbox on Gmail and let's assume I would like to delete that email. If I right click on it and click on delete, that email will be deleted or is going to be deleted, but after the deletion, Gmail will need a couple of seconds to finally and irreversibly delete that email. In that time period, you will still have the opportunity to undo the deletion by clicking on undo here, as you can see, and doing that will prevent that email from being deleted so that you can do with it whatever you want. The problem is usually the cancellation period or the time in which you will have the opportunity to undo the deletion is quite short, so you can change that cancellation period and increase it, for example, by heading over to your email account settings by clicking on that gear icon in the top right corner and by heading over to this section here, undo send. That will allow you to increase the cancellation period from 5 seconds, which is usually the default cancellation period, to 10 or 30 seconds, so that you will have more time to decide whether you would like to undo the deletion or not, right? For example, I would like to change the cancellation period from 5 to 30 seconds. And last but not least, to save your settings, scroll down to the very bottom and save your settings. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.